but if the majority decision was that a direction could be given. Kindly see, असद अली के केस में भी my lords are well aware, उसके अंदर भी यही हुआ था कि एक जुडिशियल ऑर्डर पास हो गया, फिर यहाँ इस्लामाबाद पे द देन ऑनरेबल चीफ जस्टिस passed an administrative order saying कि जी जो जुडिशियल ऑर्डर है वो बेंच फुल कोर्ट नहीं बनेगा. Kindly see that, my lord, if my lord has that 1998 Supreme Court, starts at page 161 at page 206. Kindly see para 12, page 205. Page 205, my lord. Kindly see para 11 में constitution of the full court हुआ sir, para 11 में, and the order was passed by Honorable Mr. Justice Saeed-ul-Zaman Siddiqui. और फिर 12 में कहते हैं सर, और फिर रजिस्ट्रार को डायरेक्शन दी गई, direct make necessary arrangement for full court session in Islamabad on 1st of December. Kindly, it was in 12. May I read, sir? It was in these circumstances that all the honorable judges of this court assembled at Islamabad on 1st December. However, in the meantime, in the evening of 30th November 1997, the Honorable Chief Justice, under restraint, through an administrative order, cancelled the full court sitting fixed on 1st of December night at Islamabad, and Registrar Supreme Court came to deliver the above administrative order of the Honorable Chief Justice under restraint at the residence of Justice Saeed-ul-Zaman Siddiqui, which was declined by the latter on the ground that it amounted to interfere in the pending judicial proceeding. The registrar was, however, advised to place the administrative order of Honorable Chief Justice under restraint from before the full court on 1st of December. If the Honorable Chief Justice under restraint so desired or directed him. The matter, however, did not rest there, as during the late hours of the night on 30th November, the copies of above administrative order passed by Honorable Chief Justice under cancelling the full court sitting and asking the Honorable Judge not to attend the full court sitting and abide by the roster issued by him were delivered at the residence of all the Honorable Judges of this court. As the above administrative order of Honorable Chief Justice under restraint was likely to cause disruption of the full court sitting fixed on 1st of December, besides causing chaos and confusion in the minds of general public, the Honorable Judges met at the rest house at number 12 at Islamabad, after deliberation issued the following clarification the night of 30th November. An administrative order passed by Mr. Justice Shahjal Ali Shah, the Honorable Chief Justice under restraint, has been delivered to us at our residences, declaring the convening of full court for hearing of the cases listed supplementary cause list as illegal. We are sorry to say, in spite of the judicial order of the 3 members bench of this court passed in constitutional petition number on 28/11 restraining the Honorable Chief Justice from performing administrative or judicial functions, the Honorable Chief Justice under restraint has not only fixed the cases before 2 benches, one consisting of himself and 4 other learned judges of this court, and